Welcome back, guys, to the channel. It's Mike here, the FPV Evil Monkey, guys, and tomorrow is April 1st, but it is also springtime. So, I'm doing a 30-day challenge, and I need your help to keep me motivated and keep me going on my journey for the next month here. So, what I'm going to be doing, guys, is I'm going to be making sure that every single day I fly at least one battery pack. At least one. Now, on race days, I may be flying a lot more packs. Tiny Whoop race nights, I may be flying a lot more packs and things like that. But at least every day, I'm going to get one pack in. And this is to help me become a better pilot. I'm going to try different locations as I can. It's going to be hard because I work full-time, so I can't travel a whole lot and do a whole bunch of different locations and things like that. But it's just to kind of better my skills and things like that. And it's just something fun to do, a challenge. And because I'm doing a challenge, I'm also going to be doing a weekly giveaway for you guys. So every week I'm going to be giving one of these away. I've got 3 of the white ones, and I've got one special edition green one with blue. So that's the only one I found. I bought a bunch of these, and these basically they fit your GoPro session. So you can put your session right on it and you get some cool sick B-roll, or if you want to just fly it like on a Hot Wheel track or whatever the heck you wanted to do with it. It's just something little, but I figured it'd be something fun to do, and I'm going to pick a random comment. So make sure that your comments are original, exciting, something like that, motivating for me. Like I said, I'll be doing a daily vlog for the next 30 days. I want to see how it does. And give me your opinions, guys. Let me know what you're thinking. If you're liking the daily vlogs, if you're not liking the daily vlogs, if it works, if it doesn't work. That's what I just want to know. I want to know your opinions, because honestly, without the viewers, without the subscribers, people watching the videos, there wouldn't be a channel. So I thank you guys for watching all my videos. So with that being said, guys, tomorrow I already have a video edited and ready. So tomorrow's video will be a normal video, but then starting that following day, that'll be my daily vlogs and my daily batteries. But I am going to take a battery out today, and I am going to fly it. So tomorrow is April Fool's Day, so I don't have anything planned, but hope you guys enjoy your day. So that's all I have. Thanks for tuning in. Thanks for watching the video as always, guys. And in the meantime, let's keep those drones up in the air, flying high. I'll talk to you guys later. Keep me motivated. Keep me going for 30 days. I'll talk to you later.